This is an all-in-one machine that compresses various types of waste into two directions through the compression part, and then packages it in the packaging part before discharge. Capable of stacking more than 4 layers, it maximizes loading efficiency compared to existing process, reducing storage space and transportation costs, and ensuring high cost effectiveness. With a powerful force exceeding 100 tons, the system's vertical compression door enables seamless compression of resilient waste like plastic bottle easily. Wrapping without wire binding prevents bursting of the compressed waste, thus preventing wastewater leakage, suppressing various airborne dust particles, protecting the surrounding environment from contamination, and reducing odor emissions. It has gained recognition for its advanced capabilities through registered patents.